Clarity MD Astaxanthin is marketed as a powerful antioxidant supplement that supposedly supports skin health and healthy aging. But the real question is, are the antioxidant claims actually real? Now, to be fair, astaxanthin is a legitimate compound. It's a carotenoid naturally found in algae, salmon, shrimp, and other seafood, and has been studied extensively for its antioxidant properties. What it does well. Astaxanthin is a real antioxidant. This is not marketing fiction. Scientific research has shown that astaxanthin has antioxidant activity and can help protect cells from oxidative stress. May support skin health. Some studies suggest astaxanthin may help improve skin moisture, elasticity, and protection from UV-induced damage. Where the hype falls apart. Antioxidant does not mean miracle. This is the biggest issue. Many supplement ads make antioxidants sound like a cure for aging, inflammation, fatigue, and every health problem imaginable. The science simply doesn't support those kinds of claims. Benefits are usually modest. While studies show potential benefits, the effects are often small rather than life-changing. It won't reverse aging. No supplement has been proven to stop or reverse the aging process, despite what some marketing materials imply. So, are the antioxidant claims real? Short answer, yes, the antioxidant claims are generally real. Unlike many trendy supplements, astaxanthin is a well-known antioxidant that has been studied in scientific research. The problem isn't whether it's an antioxidant. The problem is when marketers exaggerate what that antioxidant activity can actually do in the real world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.